So as promised, y'all, I'm gonna upload this video. It's probably gonna go to my YouTube too about how to install this MGW retrofit shifter. I installed it yesterday, so I kind of got a heads up on most of the install, but I want to show people who are trying to do something similar, because when I researched it myself, it was all just Camaros, Mustangs, and Corvettes. All right. For those you know, it's an 84 Monte Carlo SS. All right, very different from the Camaro, especially the Mustangs. The difference is this, I don't know what it's called, but this tail piece here, it's way too far in the rear. Case in point, if I was to put this in the car like this, my seat is probably going to be about right here, and I would have to reach all the way back here to shift. All right, so it's going to be uncomfortable. I'm going to live the whole thing, but again, I'm going to upload this to my YouTube. All right, so please like, share, comment, subscribe. Project Movement Way, and then we'll just get it popping. All right, so this is the kit in a whole. It comes with the actual shifter. This had a plastic bag over it, but again, I'm already too deep into it now. I already put the ball on it. What's up, Quincy? What's up, Kale? Comes with these 4 screws. They are what size? Let's see, 8/6. These are 8/6, and then these are T50. All right, so got that there for the T50. I got this for those 4. Any screwdriver will work, all right, but this kind of more skinnier flat tip works better for me. And I'll go into detail about where shit goes and how it goes. Because again, this installation kit didn't come with instructions, all right, which is mainly the reason for this video. All right, so again, I gotta get rid of this and install that. All right, so I'm gonna set everything up, and yeah, here we go. All right, so I'm gonna do it like this. Actually, I'm gonna do it like this. Is that a better angle, y'all? Somebody respond real fast. Is that a good angle? No, maybe so. Let's put it there. Let's put it right there. You don't have to use gloves, but I'm gonna use gloves. Just know everything that's on this side is gonna be the same on the other side. Alright, I'm gonna try to get as hands on as I can. So first off is this little clamp right here. So on this side, these little clips here. Can you see that? These little clips right here. Again, there's one on each side. Alright, then come back here. We need this boots. We need to get that out as well. You see that? We need to get that pin out right there. Alright. So again, it has these same little retaining clips. We end up with 4 of them. that's out. Then you're gonna take these out. All right. Now the kit did come with 2 new ones, but there's nothing wrong with these, so I'm just gonna reuse these. But just get in here and pull it out. That's one. That's the other one. All right. Again, so that's out. Now I need to get this dial out right here. But actually, I'm gonna take this dial out here next. This dial is gonna go to the new shifter. I didn't know about this because, again, it didn't come in the kit. So this is a lesson learned. This dial comes out the stock one, and it's gonna go on the new one. Put that to the side for now. And then take this one out as well. Roughly the same size, but not really. All right, but this one goes in the front and this one goes in the rear. All right, but those go back in the new one, and then just all one's off. I'm probably gonna end up selling that one for real. I don't need it. I may take the first shifter off of it if I do want to change out the shifter. But if you need it, pick me up and have it. I'm not even tripping on it. I'm gonna take these off just because they were in the way. And again, I just literally played around with it for about 5 or 10 minutes. That's a pretty decent, simple install. This is gonna go next. Again, it's already looped here, so you can tell that's where the actual shifter is gonna go. So this is gonna go here. It's gonna go here. Place that here. What I'm gonna do is I'm gonna put it back in place for now. I don't want to lose shit. Make sure the clips are going on both sides, like so. I'm actually gonna take these gloves off of there anyway. And another clip this side. Done. Goes like such. Again, one pin here. Goes all the way in. Another pin on the other side. Then we'll go ahead and lock them in place. Yeah, you heard it snap, so I know it's in. I had already threaded it all the way down. My dumb ass and started like this because I thought it, it just looked better. But it's already basically labeled for you. All right, goes in like that. All right, goes in like that. So all you're gonna do is line that up in that bezel. And then dial goes through. Again, that dial that I took out of the stock one, that's gonna go through there. More C clips goes in there. Training clips, whatever you want to call them. kind of the tricky part, all right? Because as you can kind of tell, there's bolts here. I mean, bolt holes here. There's also bolt holes here, all right? It's a groove here that it needs to go in, and you just literally it's not in place with. There it is. Put it in here. And one of those four go in here. You don't want to go all the way down just yet. Just kind of hand tight, get it started. I'll show you why in a minute. I'm not going to tighten down to the very end. I just want to make sure they line up. This is the tricky part. I struggled with this for a while until I actually figured it out. So this is basically like a sandwich in the back. Alright, it goes as such. Alright, but this groove goes on the other side of the actual shifter, and then this hole goes into this caveat down here as such. Like that. Alright. But these two bolts down here are a bitch to get to. So what I did was I threaded these bolts here and got it close to where I can slide it over, and then I can just tighten it up as I finished. So again, one, two, and that's when I took those bolts out, because those bolts are kind of tough to get over once you start putting it in place. You see, I got plenty of room to play with. All right. So just line it up. As so, kind of adjust it if you need to. Alright, now technically it's installed, alright, but what I did learn, because these tighten up and it tightens up over this, and once this is tightened, it's not gonna move anymore. Alright, so I guess another lesson learned is I tighten these bottom two up first, and then the top four. Alright, so just come from the bottom. clamps down on this so it doesn't move. And all I did was got it as tight as I could. Alright. Now, really the only thing that's left. And again, I might just put shit to these. I got to just take these out on both sides. But again, nothing's wrong with the two I got, so no point of fixing it when they broke, right? Going the wrong way. Still going the wrong way. Alright, I mean, I'm a stickler about star pattern, so I'm just gonna do one on this side and then on the opposite side, and then come back with the last two. You don't want to over torque this stuff, but that's just me making sure it's tight. Right? And I'll probably come back and put some Loctite on it to make it easier to get back out if I need to. But as of right now, in the video, purpose of the video is to show you how to install it. Alright. And after this one, that's it. I'll do a little quick. I should have shifted it while the other boot was on here, but I'll show you the dramatic difference in the MGW Shifter versus the stock. Alright. And that's it, man. Alright. Again, MGW Retro Fit Shifter. Alright. I'll probably leave a link in the comments. Or again, if you can catch on my YouTube, it'll be in the description. Alright. We'll go from there. But let's see if I can do this. Knock that over. Alright. That's neutral. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Reverse. Almost like effortless. See how that shifts? I don't have to worry about trying to find the next gear. It's almost with ease. Alright. To me, that's worth the money. Alright. So, again, MGW Retrofit Shifter. It's not a short shifter, but I guess it could. And again, just a comparison. Alright. Comparison. Actually, I'm gonna let this side. Like this. It's set about right there. And now look where it's sitting. Alright. Probably about right there. Alright. So, again, that's going away. I may end up keeping this actual shifter. Let's see. Oh, it's too big. But I may keep that shifter. I may throw that on there. But we'll see. Let's see. But from what I've read, you know what I'm saying, like from something way up here to, again, I showed you. That's like, it's a world of a difference, man. So, I don't really know how it's gonna fit in the car just yet, as far as like height-wise and all that kind of stuff. But my buddy that actually told me about the retrofit told me he changed out the actual shifter, and it's like almost, so it was more comfortable there. But again, I won't know until I get there, and we'll see, yo. Okay, well, we want you to stay at your house, and then Mark's gonna stay at his house, alright? You don't want to spread any germs. Got it? Alright. So, again, I don't know where it's gonna sit in the car. I got a bunch of parts and shit waiting to get in here. But I'm sure it's gonna probably sit about right here, if not right here. I know it's kind of a weird angle or whatever, but again, man, that's just a shifter. That's all it's come today. I still gotta get clutch. I still gotta get, well, technically, I have a clutch, a flywheel, and a pressure plate in these two boxes here. But I'm gonna go with a brand new clutch, brand new pressure plate, and yeah, I gotta get a throwout bearing, I gotta get a pilot bearing, and that's it. Lockout solenoid, I think, too. But that's it as far as getting that bad boy in there. I'm gonna have to cut my drive shaft. Maybe change the yoke on the drive shaft. I think I gotta change this out too. Again, but we'll get there when we get there. All right, but again, like, comment, share, subscribe. Let me know what y'all think, man. Peace.